welcome to this channel. I am Jayashree, and if you know me, you know that I love painting galaxies. I even use galaxies in many of my mandalas as well. So, in this tutorial, we will be learning about painting 5 types of galaxies using watercolors. So, let's get started with the materials that you will need. I am using 300 GSM watercolor papers. I have cut them into 5 pieces because we are going to paint 5 types of galaxies, and these are rectangular pieces because I will be making bookmarks out of them. Next we will be needing watercolors, then we will need masking tape to hold down the paper, and then watercolor brushes. You will also need a toothbrush for painting stars, and lastly we will need water. So here I made a list of the most common colors that are used in painting a galaxy. Now the first step is masking the tape to the surface, whether you are using a drawing board or a table. You just have to make sure that all the edges are of equal width. So for the first galaxy, we are going to use a technique called wet on dry. We will not apply any water on the paper. We will keep it dry and start by applying watercolors directly on dry paper. So for the first layer, we are going to use really light colors because we are just defining the patterns of the colors that are going to be in our galaxy. You can use some blues, purples and reds. And now we will wait this layer to dry off completely, and then we will apply the second layer. I usually use a dryer to make this process fast. Now for the second layer, we will just add on the same colors on top of them. We can leave some of the areas really light to give depth to our galaxies. After you have applied the colors, you can use water to blend them. And again, we will wait for this layer to dry. And now we will repeat the same steps. We will make some of the areas really dark and leave some of the areas really light. And at last we will use black color . And for painting the stars, I am using white acrylic color. So you will need a thin brush, the thinnest you have, and start drawing dots on the galaxy. then we will paint rest of the stars using a toothbrush. Now for the second galaxy, we are going to use another technique called wet on wet. So we will apply water directly on the paper. For this particular galaxy, I'm going to give it a linear shape. So my first step is to apply white color in a straight line. And then I will add more colors around it. So let's start with some yellow and orange colors. And then we will keep on adding more colors. Now when you're using yellow and blue colors together, make sure that you don't blend them, otherwise it will turn green. Now for this technique, we don't have to wait the paper to get dried to add more layers. We can just keep on adding colors on the wet paper itself. I really love how purple and yellow mixes together to give a really soothing effect in a galaxy. Usually I only plan the colors that I'm going to use, but I just randomly apply them wherever I feel that they will look nice. And when you're satisfied with the colors, you can start adding stars. And that's it. Now for the next painting, we are going to use the same wet on wet technique. For this, we are going to create a spiral shaped galaxy. So I am applying white color in a circular form, and then we will start adding more colors in the circular shape. We will start with adding some yellows and orange colors. Make sure that you are applying all the colors in circular form. For this galaxy, we are trying to achieve a Milky Way effect. Just make sure that you add all of the colors in a circular form. We are going to use just a little bit of blue color in this one. Now once we've got the structure for the galaxy, we will start adding more depth by applying more colors. And once we are satisfied with the colors, we will start adding stars. And if you are having trouble in peeling off the tape, you can just blow dry on the tape so that it becomes little warm and then it comes off easily. Now for the fourth galaxy as well, we will use the same wet on wet technique. Now for this one, we will create a triangular shape. We are going to make this a monochrome galaxy. So I am using only greens in this one. And for the depth, I will be using black. And we start adding lighter green colors in a triangular shape. And as we move away from the triangle, we can add darker shades of green. You can mix a little bit of blue in green colors. Here I am just blending the colors with water. at last, when you're satisfied with the colors, you can just dry it and start adding stars as we did in the previous galaxies. We will add more stars in the center and we are done. Now for the last one, we are going to paint another monochrome galaxy, and for this one I will keep it red. So I will start by adding lighter red colors and then keep on adding layers and make it darker. You can see that I have left the center really light. Painting a galaxy is really just having fun with colors. You can just experiment with the colors that you feel look best in your galaxies. And sometimes I like to add stars when the paper is not completely dry. Here we go, we have painted all the galaxies. So guys, these were the 5 galaxies I wanted to share with you so that you can paint them yourself. And if you do paint something using this video, then please share it with me. I would love to see your paintings. And please let me know in the comments if you like this video and if you want me to create more content like this. So guys, please like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to support this channel. See you next time.